Alrighty guys, so today's is gonna be kind of fast. Long story short, my beautiful car Sky got into an accident. I wasn't planning on uploading today, but I just kind of had to because I need to keep up with this. It was not my fault. I was going through the intersection. The guy, he was an older gentleman. He was at a stop sign, and the guy completely came out and T-boned me in my rear quarter section of my car. Right here, completely destroying my rear wheel, bending and cracking the paint all in here, and ripping off my rear bumper and my taillight. So, unfortunately, Sky's gonna be out of commission for a couple weeks, I'd assume. So, what I'm gonna have to do is, I just filed the insurance claim. They said that it was not my fault indeed, and I have a witness, and the witness said that she saw everything and how it wasn't my fault and stuff. So, I'm okay. If it all pans out okay, I'm gonna hopefully have the money and stuff, and I'm gonna just fix it myself and see if I can get Sky back up and running. Because I am going to an event in a month. It's called Tuned in Tokyo. It's up on March 24th up in Anaheim at the NOS Speedway. So I already bought the ticket for Sky to go and everything, so shouldn't be a problem. You guys can see, you guys can actually see right here, the fender is completely pulled out like that, but we'll have to see what happens. It's very unfortunate because yeah, it doesn't go like that and that. So alrighty guys, thank you guys for joining me today. Hopefully I can get Sky all fixed up before the show. Hopefully. It's gonna be a real hard thing getting all of that to clear, but hopefully I can do it. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, guess it's time to end it.